Welcome, seekers of manifestation and dream builders, to a world shrouded in mystery, where the power of the subconscious mind unlocks the gateway to your deepest desires. I'm here to guide you on an extraordinary journey filled with secrets beyond comprehension. Get ready to step into the realm of limitless possibilities as we delve into the enigmatic forces that govern our reality. In this mind-bending video, we will unravel the secrets of unlocking the power of the subconscious mind to manifest your most desired results. Prepare to witness the awe-inspiring phenomenon of instant manifestation as we delve into the depths of the vibrational vault, tapping into the vast potential of your subconscious mind to manifest your deepest desires. But that's not all. We will reveal an intriguing technique to raise your emotional state, a technique that will catapult you into instant manifestation and draw your desires effortlessly into your reality. You'll be amazed at the sheer power that lies within you, waiting to be unleashed. Brace yourselves as we uncover the secrets of using the power of the subconscious mind to manifest your goals. Through this phenomenal process, you'll tap into the very essence of your being, harnessing the hidden forces that shape the fabric of reality. And that's just the beginning. We will explore the mesmerizing world of the law of attraction and manifestation practices, revealing how you can unlock your untapped potential. Prepare to embark on a path of transformation and self-discovery as you reshape your reality and manifest a life beyond your wildest dream. If you're new here, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to join our ever-growing community of like-minded individuals who are ready to unleash their true potential. Don't miss out on the incredible content we have in store for you, designed to empower you and guide you on your manifestation journey. All right, let's get started. It's important to understand that the subconscious mind communicates and operates through the realm of feelings, bypassing the limitations of words and logic. Our current life results are a direct manifestation of what our subconscious minds have been programmed to bring us. Everything we have experienced, whether it's abundance or scarcity, love or fear, health or illness, has been influenced by the beliefs, thoughts, and emotions imprinted in our subconscious. The exciting revelation is that it's possible to consciously and intentionally direct these manifestations for more intentional outcomes. By actively rewiring our subconscious programming, we can transform our lives and bring forth the experiences, circumstances, and opportunities that align with our true desires. But here's the key. We must provide the right inputs into our subconscious in order for it to deliver the desired outputs. By cultivating thoughts, beliefs, and emotions that are aligned with our desired outcomes, we establish a fertile ground for manifestation to flourish. One powerful technique is to take time to think about moments when we felt the emotions associated with our desired manifestations, such as abundance, love, or health. By vividly recalling and reliving these experiences, we can trigger the corresponding emotions within us, effectively programming our subconscious to attract more of these positive experiences into our lives. Once we learn how to access this state of elevated emotion and alignment, manifestation becomes a process that unfolds quickly, effortlessly, and instantly. The barriers of time and effort fall away as we tap into the infinite potential of our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is an incredible resource, capable of providing answers to any questions we ask of it. Unlike our conscious mind, which requires effort, analysis, and reasoning to find answers, the subconscious effortlessly and automatically responds to our inquiry. It is the domain of intuitive wisdom and infinite knowledge, always ready to provide guidance and insight. It is important to recognize that everything manifests in our physical reality originates as a vibrational form. Every thought, intention, and desire carries a unique vibrational frequency. Understanding this principle is pivotal, as it helps us grasp the fundamental truth that the manifestation process begins at the vibrational level. Focusing on desired states is the key to unlocking our vibrational vault and bringing our desires into physical reality. By directing our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs towards the desired outcome, we emit corresponding vibrations into the universe, aligning ourselves with the energy needed to manifest our desires. Now let's explore the key to instant manifestation: our dominant emotional state. The emotions we consistently hold within us act as powerful manifesting magnets. When our dominant emotional state is aligned with our desires, it expedites the attraction process, accelerating the manifestation of our goals. Imagine a scenario where you desire abundance, yet your dominant emotional state is one of lack or scarcity. In this case, the disharmony between your desires and emotions slows down the manifestation process. However, by consciously cultivating emotions of abundance, joy, and gratitude, you align yourself with the vibrational frequency of your desires, boosting the speed and intensity of attraction. Moreover, the level of happiness we experience plays a crucial role in the manifestation process. The happier we are, the more relaxed and at ease we become about our desires. This state of contentment and peace amplifies our trust in the universal flow, allowing us to effortlessly release resistance and surrender to the manifestation process. When we relax and trust, we create space for our desires to effortlessly flow into our lives. One key concept to understand is that raising our dominant emotional state plays a pivotal role in the manifestation process. Our emotions carry vibrational frequencies that attract corresponding experiences into our lives. When our dominant emotional state aligns with the emotions associated with our desired manifestations, we create a powerful, energetic resonance that allows us to manifest our desires with speed and efficiency. Imagine wanting to manifest abundance into your life. If your dominant emotional state is one of hopelessness, lack, or scarcity, you are emitting vibrations that are incongruent with abundance. However, by consciously and intentionally raising your dominant emotional state to one of joy, gratitude, and abundance, you align yourself with the vibrational frequency required to attract and manifest abundance effortlessly and instantaneously. To shift our focus towards abundance and away from lack, it is vital to take conscious control over our thoughts and direct our conscious mind to be in charge. Our subconscious mind tends to operate on default programming, which may be influenced by past experiences, limiting beliefs, or societal conditioning. By consciously choosing where to direct our focus, we override this default programming and align our conscious and subconscious minds in harmony. It is important to recognize that our lens of perception is determined by the emotions we feel. If we find ourselves experiencing emotions that do not align with our desired manifestation, it is up to us to change our focus. By consciously shifting our attention and directing our thoughts towards the abundance we desire, we can reframe our perspective and create a new lens through which we view the world. To clear an old focus and refocus on a new one, it is beneficial to enter a zero state of mind. This state allows us to let go of any preconceived notions, limiting beliefs, or attachments that may hinder our ability to manifest. Once in this zero state, we can connect with our subconscious mind and pose a question: what would it look like if I were already experiencing my desired manifestation? This prompts our subconscious to present vivid images, sensations, and experiences that align with our desires, providing us with a clear roadmap for manifestation. As we come to the end of this video, I want to leave you with some final thoughts and insights. Subconscious mind is a powerful tool that can be programmed to attract the outcomes you desire. It may take persistence and dedication to replace old habits and behaviors, but with time and consistency, the new program will take effect, leading you towards the manifestation of your goals. By focusing on the emotion of already having your goal and engaging with it daily, you nurture the vision and bring it closer to physical manifestation. For those who have mastered this practice, manifestation can occur within a matter of hours. Thank you for joining us on this journey of unlocking your potential. Now, go out there and manifest the life you envision. Until we meet again, remember that you have the power to create your own reality. God bless.